Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Watermelon Rind Paratha. I have taken two pieces of watermelon rind, grated it, and it's around half cup of watermelon rind is there. I have added red chilli powder, Garam Masala powder, green chilli paste. If you want, you can chop the green chilli and put it. Then turmeric powder, Ajwain. Now I'll transfer this into a kadai for kneading the dough. If you want, you can put one boiled potato grated also in this. I have added the wheat flour in this. Now we will mix this well. Salt also I have added. There is no need to add water. If required, only you add it, because the watermelon rind, while grating, it oozes out the water. Atta is ready. I have applied oil and kept it. Now we will heat the tawa and roll out the paratha. I have rolled out the paratha. 4 paratha I could make. I didn't measure the wheat flour, so you can add the wheat flour according to the requirement, because how much water it has oozed out, based on that you can add the wheat flour. You can make the paratha in ghee, oil, butter, as you wish. Now I will transfer the paratha in this. Cook till both the sides are cooked well. And the brown spots appear. Apply some butter. Flip it. I have prepared various dishes out of this watermelon rind. The best was halwa with it. And recently I prepared tokku, that is pickle, with this. You can add tamarind pulp or grated mango in it. Both the variations you can make. Continue the process for the remaining parathas. All the parathas are cooked nicely. If you want to make stuffed paratha, squeeze out the water completely, then add the masalas, salt and all. Then you make stuffed paratha. We prefer to make like this, so that's why I have made like that, by adding all the ingredients along with the atta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you can get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. You can serve the paratha with curd or coriander chutney, sauce, etc.